Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Bender from Futurama. So let's go in at the top up here. Around here, let's do the eye sort of visor part first. So I'm just going to do two horizontal lines like that. Okay. Let's join them up with a curve around up like that, and down a curve around like that. Okay. Next, we're just going to do the dome sort of part of his head. So do it sort of straight up from around here. So two lines up like that. And then we're just going to do a dome curve and join that up like that. So we've got a little sort of ring area here on the top. And then it kind of tapers up here like this. And there's a circle on the very top there. Just below the visor area where his eyes are, I'm just going to go down and do sort of the rest of his mouth. So I'm going to do two horizontal lines again, like this. Let's curve this up here where the, basically it's where the neck area would meet the shoulders. So just curve that around and up like that, okay? Shoulder areas, we're just going to do a couple of curves out, first of all. So sort of a curve down that, and a curve along like that, first of all. Let's go join this up again. So another sort of curve area around. Kind of goes like that, all right? So next up, let's just do sort of like the joint area for his arm, because that kind of comes into his sort of main body area. So what we need to do is like a bit of an oblong kind of rectangle with sort of cornered sides. So I'm just going to sort of start here, do a corner, come down, around like that. Let's do the same on the other side. Curve around and up like that, okay? This now means we can do the rest of his body. So that just tapers into probably around about here. So let's just mark that off actually. So let's say it's going to go to about here and here, okay? So all we need to do is do a line from this area here to that point we made. Same here, just join it up like that. Then we can do another curved line just to join the body up, like so, okay? Next up, let's pop the legs in. So it's got two sort of curvy legs, very straight lines, sort of down. So just a straight line curve down here. Same again, curve, straight line there. This side, do the same sort of thing. So curve out here and curve out there. Join those off with a curve, okay? And then he's kind of got sort of like bowl shape feet. So curve in, just go beyond the edge. So sort of here, curve in there, join those up with another curve. Do the same over here. 1, 2, join that up like that. Okay, cool. Next, let's put the arms in. So we're going to do the same sort of thing, these sort of curvy lines. We're going to go sort of down to about there. So just going to do a curve in there, go to the top of that part there, sort of match that up, make it the same length like that. Same on this side, okay? Start on the outer part here, just work our way out there. And same here, just work our way out to there, okay? Curve those off, join them up like that. And then two little lines out there, join that up, so it kind of like tapers out. And then he's got like little pronged fingers. So we'll do a thumb, we'll just do like a little rectangle basically. 1, 2, 3. Same on this side. Little thumb, 1, 2, and then we can just see that the third one popping in there like that. Okay. So next up, what I'll do is the inner area here is like a little sort of chest unit. So I'm just going to do sort of inside here, curve like that, just curves corners. Bring this down to about here, same here, about there, and then curve that around like that, okay? So next up, what I'll do, I'll just get the finer pen, and what we'll pop in is just in here in the visor area, what we can do is just sort of follow the line around. So just sort of goes in and around like so. Then we're going to put 2 eyes in. Now they kind of taper a little bit here, so just taper a little bit here around like that, and then this side here, taper around like that. Okay, right. 2 little squares go in the middle of his eyes, so it's going to do like a robotic square area there and there. We'll come back and colour that in a moment. Let's do the mouth. So kind of like a rectangle again with curved sides. So around, down, around like that, and then we'll just join it up with 2 lines inside it. So 1, 2, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines up to make the mouth area. On his arms, he's got kind of little curved, like robotic sort of joint areas. So just go pop a few of those in with the fine pen there. Same on this side. And then we'll do the same on the legs, but we'll curve it out a little bit more. So the other way around, there we go. Just join those up. Cool, it's got a little circle in here, sort of for this chest unit, so just pop a circle in like that there. Okay, then let's just get the black pen back, fill in where the eye area is. Like that there. Let's just put a little bit of ground in behind him. Nice one. Okay, then let's get colouring. So first of all, let's get a light grey, and we'll just fill in those lot of lighter areas. These bits in. Just go over it with the pro markers so it all gets filled in. And hand areas. Here, and then we've got the feet as well, so fill those in. Cool. Okay, now let's get a darker grey, and then we can just pop in pop in the colour for the arms and legs. Cool. Then just in here. Right, next up, I'm just going to get yellow. Let's pop colour in for eyes. And let's pop in around the teeth. And mouth area too. And finally, what I do is just put a bit of popping colour just at the back there, round him on the picture. Just a bit of extra colour in there. Yeah, that's cool. Right, okay, so that is Bender from Futurama on Art Draw. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.